Wait. Can I figure it out or what? Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing another affordable G-string see-through panty haul, and this is all from Shopee, which is very affordable and very budget friendly. So if you're interested of my lingerie haul for today, please keep on watching. So our first lingerie, you guys, is I'm not sure. I have two right here for you guys. I know I don't really look so cute today. I'm in the beach area right now, so less makeup, just lipstick right here. Okay, and my lipstick for today that I'm wearing is from Jordana lip liner, which is one of my favorite lip liner, and it's around $2 something, or even $1.99 or something like that, about $1. It's just very cheap, you guys. So if you are, you know what I'm always wearing, that's my go-to. It's Jordana lip liner. Okay. This is, I'm not sure, it's something like maroon type. Okay, so alright, let's proceed to our lingerie haul. So I don't really know, this is all about G-string or see-through, because that's what I like, right? So the first one, are you interested? Alright, you guys, let's do it. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, sizes for this is I think like small or like standard size, and prices is around, how much was it? It's more above right now, guys. It's 60 to 70 pesos. Okay, and I will leave it somewhere on the screen, the price for this. Okay, so let's open it up. Wow, this is like bridal lingerie, you guys. Hello? Hello? What is this? Oh my gosh. It's super tiny. Look at that. How can you wear it? Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this all about? Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to wear this one. Wait. Can I figure it out or what? Ah, alright. Now I figure it out. Oh my god, it's super tiny and sexy. Oh, okay, alright. This is for a honeymoon bridal lingerie. New brides to be, watch out for this. Match from your white. Oh my god, look at that. So tiny, you guys. G-string. Na-shock ako. I am shocked. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ay, natulala ako, guys. I wasn't expecting anything. Oh my goodness. Oh, alright. Okay, so you see that? That's even a hole. It's a playful one. This is very exotic. Alright, the garter is durable, yes. And, yeah, oh my gosh. See-through again. Oh my god. I'm sorry if I keep on laughing because this amazed me on the design. Alright, you guys, that's it. Oh, wow. Alright, so very tiny, very skinny. Look at that. Very simple design, just garter, strings. Hardware, two sides here on the side, right? That. Okay, and here it just covers your front tall area. That's it, and the rest is a whole new world. Alright, guys. Oh my god, it's like magic carpet ride. Oh my god, this is amazing. Alright, the next one I have for you, the second lingerie haul we have is, ta-da! What panty could it be? It has more coverage. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's begin. Oh! Pulang-pula. Ang panty kong pula. Oh, wow. Is it butterfly? Oh, man. Butterfly, paru-paru G. It's our lucky charm. It's butterfly. Yes, very sexy embroidery type. Look at that. Wow. I don't even remember. This is somewhat similar to my other lingerie that I had before, but this is different because, bam, look at that in the back. See, you got a hardware of a heart shape. Bam, right? Isn't that amazing? It's amazing. This is very sexy, you guys. If you are a bride to be, haha, yes. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness, right? And yeah, G strings, of course. Look at that garter, very nice. Okay, right? You can see, right? Embroidery butterfly. Mhm. Kita yung kaugmao. Di ba? Diba, this is nice, you guys. If you are a bride to be, see, I'm wearing white right now, and if you are wearing something like this underneath, oh my, this is somewhat makes your night so memorable, so romantic, and your spouse will gonna be like, ooh la la, wow, is this my honey? Yes, honey bee. Oh, diva, very very cute, nice, and the sims are pretty good. Yes, the sims are pretty good. Look at that, it's cute and fantastic. Mhm. I am amazed with the design of this. I don't really remember when I purchased it at Shopee because that's where my go-to. And oh my god, this is amazing. You got a stripe here. See, look at that over here, and then in the back side. Okay, so look closely, you guys. I have a commentator and said that he wanted to. I don't know if it's a she or a he. That wanted to buy my collections of lingerie. I'm not sure where you are, but if you're in the Philippines, probably I could. But if you are outside the Philippines, I cannot. The shipping is outrageous. So I would just go buy Shein. Okay, Shein.com, which is have good quality lingerie for that commentator who visited my channel who wants to purchase my collections of lingerie. I would recommend Shein.com. Okay, so because they have good as well, they have good similar designs from what I got. All right, so that's your second option. There is world. Shein has a worldwide shipping, so it's better. Shopee, I'm not so sure as to what countries or like Asia where they cater to. I'm not very familiar with every country that that Shopee is working on. So just mind you, okay? So, and I'm not an affiliate of it or anything from both companies. I'm not. So I'm just letting you know as a consumer myself because I buy from Shein and Shopee. Okay. So again, lastly, this is our lingerie haul, right? Our lingerie, our panty is very cute. It's a G-string embroidery, and yes, light material, easy to wear, good for a honeymoon couple. Yes, you could have fun with it. You could make your night more memorable. All right, so this is it. This will be our lingerie haul for today. I hope you like my panty haul for today, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also please comment. Okay, comment or like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.